Excelta's line of hard wire cutters are equipped with extremely hard tungsten carbide inserts. They are roughly twice the density of steel and are diamond sharpened for extreme precision. The blades will make short work of difficult wire such as piano wire and nitinol. They are manufactured by highly skilled craftsmen right here in Buellton, California. We start with premium steel, laser cut for consistency, and CNC machined to exact specifications. The body is made from 50-100 carbon steel. The tungsten carbide inserts have an extremely hard cutting edge at 79-81 Rockwell. We have engineered an extreme tip geometry for critical access to coils. They feature static dissipative handles, stainless steel springs, and our laser lock joint system. The unique set screw prevents over-travel of the cutting edges and prolongs their life. As always, if you have any questions about this product or any product in our wide range of tools, please reach out to one of our highly trained tool technicians at sales@excelta.com. For high-quality, reliable assembly tools, Excelta Corporation is at your service. Feel the teal.